Discover the VL Fielder Mini Caster, the ultimate solution for effortless mobility with its 360-degree free rotation. Moving heavy boxes, storage bins, or small furniture becomes quick and easy. Made from strong abs and stainless steel, these casters are durable, quiet, and safe. Simply stick them onto your items with the included self-adhesive tape. No drilling needed. Enhance your convenience today and make moving a breeze. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you looking for reliable and durable caster wheels for your furniture or equipment? Introducing GBL Heavy Duty Casters, designed to rotate 360 degrees smoothly and silently. These sturdy polyurethane wheels are safe for all floor types and can support up to 600 kilograms in total, ideal for home, school, or industrial use. Whether moving a coffee table or a heavy trolley, these casters offer flexibility, safety, and long-lasting performance. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Discover the Humagineer Castors, your perfect solution for mobile furniture and equipment. These sturdy 4-piece set features 50mm high-quality polyurethane wheels with a dual brake system ensuring safe and secure movement. Built with high-strength steel and designed to support up to 270 kilograms or 600 pounds, they roll smoothly and quietly across all floor types. Easy to install, these versatile casters are ideal for chairs, tables, shelves, and more. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the HOLKIE Castors, the perfect solution for making your workspace mobile and safe. Crafted with heavy-duty steel housing, these casters support up to 135 kilograms on a set of 4. They feature top locking brakes that secure your equipment firmly, preventing accidents. The smooth PVC wheels and double precision ball bearings ensure silent and effortless movement. Ideal for workbenches, art tables, or tool carts. Versatile casters are easy to install and respond instantly to your steering needs. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the HOLKIE Castors, your perfect solution for mobility and stability. Crafted with heavy-duty steel housing, these casters support up to 272 kilograms with a secure side locking brake to keep your equipment steady. The environmentally friendly, non-toxic thermoplastic rubber wheels provide a quiet, shock-absorbing ride that protects your floors. Ideal for workbenches, instrument cases, or art tables. Their 100-degree swivel head ensures easy maneuverability. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the GBL Heavy Duty Castors, the perfect solution for all your moving needs. These durable caster wheels rotate easily and silently, providing smooth 360-degree mobility. With dual locking brakes, they securely lock both the wheel and swivel at the same time, ensuring safety. Made from tough polyurethane, they are safe for all floor types and support loads of up to 200 kilograms across 4 wheels. Ideal home, office, or industrial use, they make moving furniture and equipment effortless. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for reliable and durable furniture wheels? Check out the GBL Heavy Duty Caster. Made from premium materials, these casters are the strongest in their class, providing a safe solution for all floor types without leaving marks. Experience smooth, quiet gliding thanks to internal bearings and sleek surfaces that resist hair, crumbs, and grit. Easy to install and perfect for homes, offices, or workshops, they can handle up to 40 kilograms each. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.